Morning guys, how are you today? Hey, how are you today? Hey, how are you today? How are you guys? How are you doing? It is another day, a beautiful day. Yes, but we woke up in this house, the wash machine ain't working. Another craziness, yeah. But there are possibility of washing the clothes on the local laundry. So that's what we're trying to do now. I remember doing like many years ago. Because this wash machine that we have in this house, we have been having it for the past 10 years. So it has been years since I've used the local wash machines. So it feels a little bit weird, but it's alright. It's normal. People who use it, they're just normal people like us. So yeah, it is also a good opportunity for the girls to know that if something doesn't work in the house, you can still go outside and find solution. Okay, that's what we're doing. Yeah, go and get some change. That's cool. What will you do? Can I do it?
Which one?
The next one. Let's go. She's running away. I don't know why she's running away.
How many is 65?
265.
One is 65.
It's not for sale. We have a beautiful Princess G organizing the fridge. What's that? Well, can you put it like...
Mama, is that like that?
Why are you putting it like that? It looks mess. Hold this.
Show the decoration.
It's not really the decoration, but when you're putting it like you're putting things into the bin. See, eating is easy, but put the peas in.
Where am I going to put it?
There.
Here.
Princess G with her organization.
Princesses don't do this.
You need to feel with the fridge closed or not?
The fridge is open.
Okay. Okay, Mama Boss, you don't need to be putting one.
Yeah, so to make sure it's got it properly.
Hey!
You see, this is why you're not good at talking about why putting one.
Mama knowing how to organize.
Mommy, this is why I didn't want to do the silly, just chuck it in there.
She's calling it. She's calling it.
I said no pictures.
No pictures. I'm not taking any pictures. So yeah, well done. This, I thought the fridge wasn't going to close, but it's closing. So yeah. Well, she didn't do everything by herself.
What? Just
You did not. You did not do everything by yourself. Be honest, man. I helped. But well done. The fridge is ready.
£50.
Ask her £50 for what?
For I went out with you. We went to go wash the clothes. Went shopping. I now organized the fridge.
So I have to pay you £50.
Oh, half price.
Which one of the food in there that I like to eat? Which one is it?
£25.
Yeah. Whew. Organizing the fridge can be a hard job sometimes as well.
Hey. It's lovely, as you can see, and I'm gonna be making a wrap because, well, let me actually do it properly. Okay guys, so it's lovely here, as you can see, and right now it's lunchtime. Well, it's lunchtime for my household, 3:20, late lunch, you know. Anyways, so I'm gonna be making wrap. I don't know what I'm cooking, but I don't mind. No, I actually take out the wrap. Okay, anyway, so I've got the wrap out. I'm gonna be putting chicken breast in it. I'm gonna also be putting maybe lettuce, tomatoes, cheese for sure. Anything everyone else wants, I'll put it in there. Because why not? Because we want it to be nice. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash my hands. I wash my hands. You guys are not going to see me because I'm not going to bend down. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. Got the chicken. I'm going to be seasoning it because what's chicken we're going to season it? The wrong type of chicken. That's the answer. I don't know if I want to cut the chicken up. You know what? I'm going to cut it because, well, after I wash it, I'm going to cut it. See, there's a chicken breast. Okay, now we're going to wash it. Always wash the chicken. We don't know what type of chicken this is, so we're going to always wash the chicken. So guys, I finished frying the chicken. And now I'm going to be making the wrap. Don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm going to be making the wrap with some cheese, and if we want to put lettuce, we can put lettuce, and if we want to put tomatoes, we can put tomatoes. Let me show you the chicken. It's not like the chicken our parents make and we cook in the oven and stuff like that. Not like that. It's not like that. So just so you guys know, here it is. Oh, you guys can't really see. It looks better in real life. What's the light when you need it? What the hell? Let's move this. Okay, that's how the chicken looks. It's cooked, guys, don't worry. Even Goblin came to check. It was cooked. And it was cooked. So I have the big pan that I'm going to use to make the thing, what's it called? To make the wrap. So I'm putting on the oven now. And I need butter. Butter. Yeah. Okay, so I'm using butter. I'm using butter as my sort of, I don't know what you call it, the one that you just put on the oven. We call it lipids. That's the foods group, but that's not what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I'm going to put butter on the pan, and then I'm going to get the wrap, put the wrap on it. Then I'm going to wait for it to, like, you know, at least like just become like buttery, and then flip it for the other side to become buttery. And then after that, I'm going to put the cheese inside there with the chicken as well, with the tomatoes, whatever I want to put in there. Put it in there, and then after that, I get the other, like, another slice of wrap, put it on top, press it down so that the cheese can melt and that it can become much more cooked. Then flip it over, push it down again, and then do the same process with another wrap. You get me? Okay, I'm gonna put this down now so I can actually do the foods cooking, and I'm gonna show you like the end result, because honestly I can't wait to get the stand and put you guys to stand so it will just feel so hot, like just be too much. So yeah,
I'm about to have this wrap made by Lovely. Can't wait to taste it. It looks nice, looks cool. Thank you, Lovely.
you're welcome.
How is it tasting? Normal. Is it nice? Okay, I'm about to try it. Yeah, we're sitting down watching. What's the name of the movie?
Top Boys Summer House.
Top?
Boys Summer House.
Ah, Top Boy. We watched the first one, the second, and the third.
We're still season 1, we're watching the 4th one now. I think there's 2 seasons. And then there's another one after that called Top Boy, just Top Boy. Yeah, we're going to be watching that one, but you have to watch this one first, apparently. I actually don't know how they're linked, but I guess they are linked because it's got the same people, Top Boy. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, that's what we're watching, guys.